Okay, kids, we've had a wild one today. For your inquiry, we're actually going to come off the topic of boundaries today and go back to your math. If you have not completed the math assignment for today, you're going to click back into the week 6 assignments and go into your math, and you're going to make sure that you do the Tuesday math mini lesson and assignment. That's in your green book. It's lesson 16. And then you will also do the lesson 16 homework. Take a picture of it and put it into this folder here. All the instructions you need are here. But because of the delay, we missed math today, and I want to make sure we keep our math schedule. And so the time for inquiry today, if you haven't done the independent math assignment, that will be the expectation for your inquiry time. Finish that math assignment so that we can keep up with our pacing in math. Good luck and do your best. Have fun. Take it easy. And I will see you in reading.